What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we got something super awesome to put on the X3, and that is these CT Worx billet rear sway bar link. So guys, on the X3s, the rear sway bar links and the front sway bar links are kind of a weak point on these machines, and here in a minute we'll kind of compare the factory ones compared to these ones I've ordered, and you'll see how big of a difference they are. The biggest weak point about the factory sway bar links is going to be the rubber bushing. So over time they're going to deteriorate, wear out. So with the new sway bar links, they are billet aluminum. They're super lightweight, but they're still heavy duty and a lot stronger than the factory links. And as you can see, they don't use the rubber bushings, so that's a plus. And if they was to wear out, you see you got a snap ring right here. Just take a snap ring out and you can change your bearing out if needed to. Kind of give you a close-up look of these. These are billet aluminum. I really like the design that it has on it. The biggest reason I went with these is because of the design, that how it has the black and aluminum showing. That's kind of how I wanted to do my colors on my side-by-side. I wanted to just go with the black and the aluminum look, or black and chrome. But guys, these things are super heavy duty and they are made in the USA, so that's another plus. So guys, I did not order the front sway bar links just yet because I've kind of been reading a lot of mixed reviews on the front sway bar links. Some people say to just unhook them and leave the front sway bar unhooked. They said that it would handle better and give you a lot more flex when you're climbing and all that. I didn't order those just for that reason, because I'm unsure right now. So maybe if you have any input, drop that in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think, if I should buy the front set or unhook them. But if you guys are wondering where I got these from, and I got these from Mountain Made Off-Road, and you can get you a set on their site. They got tons of parts and accessories, guys. They got stuff from performance parts, sound system, they got wheels, tires, they got windshields. And actually, I'll show you here in a minute my windshield that I got from them. Guys, came in super fast. I was kind of worried about it being a glass windshield. I was kind of scared if it would break coming through the mail and stuff, but Mountain Made Off-Road, they packaged it up really well and nothing came in broke or anything. So guys, if you want to get you a set of these, go to their site, mountainmadeoffroad.com, and if you use code Norman at checkout, you'll save 7%, guys, on anything that you buy. There may be a few brands that the code don't work on, but for the most part, use code Norman, you'll save 7%. So guys, with all that being said, if you're here for the install, we're gonna go ahead and get these things installed. It should be super easy. So let's grab some tools and let's get to the first step. All right, guys, the tools that you're gonna need for today's install is a 18mm wrench, a crescent wrench, and you'll need an impact or a ratchet with a 18mm socket on it. And that's all the tools you're gonna need, guys. Super easy install, about 4 bolts, and it's ready to go. So let's see what our first step is, and we'll get to it. All right, guys, first step here, you're gonna come back to your rear sway bar link. Don't matter which side you wanna start on first. I'm gonna start with the passenger side. So let's go ahead and take these bolts out. You got one bolt here with the nut on the back, and then you have a just a nut up here. Alright guys, now we got the factory sway bar link off. You can kind of see the difference here on how small this is compared to this. I think that's going to look super sweet, especially on this where I got the triple black. And then it's going to look really good. Go ahead and get our bushings in here, and we'll get this thing put on. Also guys, make sure you have your spacers turned the right way so your bigger set goes up top and your smaller spacers goes in the bottom. So we'll go ahead and put this on, and we'll start with the bottom first. Alright guys, once you get this side put on, just repeat the process on the opposite side and you're good to go. Alrighty guys, got the rear sway bar links installed. Man, they look super sweet. Really think that a great improvement to the suspension on this thing. You guys let me know what you think about doing the front sway bar links, removing those, or if I should get the CT Raceworks front sway bar links. Just kind of let me know down in the comments there. I really like how this looks on the machine. Just adds little fine details, and that's what really makes your ride stand out from others, is all the little stuff. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. And these things turned out sweet. I really like how they look on the machine. And if you want to get you some, remember, just go to mountainmadeoffroad.com, use code Norman at checkout, and you'll save 7%, guys. Also too guys, if you had any questions about these on the install or just want to know something about them, just leave all that down below and I'll try my best to get back to you. If there's something that you guys would like to see me install, leave that down below. Let me know if you want to see something installed, and we'll try to get that done on the channel. But stay tuned guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out on anything. Follow me on Instagram for an inside scoop before YouTube. I can't stress enough to make sure you're subscribed guys, because I got some super awesome content coming to the channel. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.